So why are you doing that, man? Don't be doing that. Take it off my fingers and put it back.
Hey,
Who is this?
look at the frog.
Yeah.
Look at the frog.
Thank you. Matt skin himself. Oh my god, dude, there's girls coming. I'm just gonna stand here with it. I'm gonna stand here and see if they look in the worm.
Hey!
I heard you. Yeah, it is what it is. It is a frog skin puppet.
Are you seriously recording?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, he is.
I'm sorry. I have to apologize for them.
I guess Tippy knows her.
I do know her.
See? Tippy knows her.
They're special.
Hey, Walker, come here.
I already know that. Especially him.
No,
Look at the frog
we're just
skin.
entertained. At least we're not up causing chaos.
I love you, but stop recording me.
Okay.
Because I will beat
No, we're
you
not.
up
We're
for
just
that.
making a frog skin puppet. Let's go talk to Tristan. Oh, they've already seen it.
Oh, they haven't.
Oh my god, this door.
Glitter over there. While we put glitter on a frog. Why not? He's wearing a frog.
Oh my gosh. Can I? Can I put glitter on it?
Do it, Trax. Oh, what are we doing this for? Yes.
Multicolor, yep, to the garbage can.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Sparkle.
No, wait, Miss Richards.
You just missed Cody. You could have gotten Cody. He didn't.
Hey, Cody.
He was with Jeremy.
How you open this thing?
Hey.
Mr. Ridge was our.
Want to see a frog?
How was
looking at the
class
frog.
Frog skin.
We're gonna put
We're about to
glitter
put
on
glitter
it.
on it. So just hang around for a minute. Yeah.
Want to see some glitter on a frog?
be sparkly.
Not too much. Alright, that's good right there.
Let me see this. Let me get this.
That frog has herpes.
Oh,
No, the
dude.
frog has glitters.
Yes, I'm enjoying this right now.
That's right.
It has glitters.
Why would you wear a frog? Why wouldn't you wear a frog?
Exactly.
This girl's on my side.
Hey, I put glitter on it. Shut up. I put glitter on everything.
This guy's on my side too. He's the one that glittered it.
Glitter is herpes of the art.
He even came up with the glitter idea.
Oh my god! Ah!
Got glitter on.
So you're saying that you got herpes?
No, it's a piece of art.
What? Look. Oh. Hey, you want to see a
What's up,
frog?
man?
Got some glitter on our frog over here.
You'll come kiss it?
I would not recommend that.
Turn to Prince. Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to
Are you charging like $1?
That's a good idea.
That is a good idea. Hey Bailey, you want to pass $1? You know? No.
Trying to turn a frog into a
I've
prince.
been recording this entire time.
Tippy, go hide. You can be the prince it turns into.
Yeah, no.
This door sucks.
It's not the door, it's the stupid door handle thing.
Well, if you didn't...
Like, you just want to kiss it and it's a prince in it.
Go to way now.
Alright.
Yeah, let's get the...
Wouldn't it just be like a prince in the skin?
Yeah, a skin guy, like, singing on his hand.
Yeah, wouldn't it like have no organs
Yeah,
and
that.
stuff?
Alright, are all the tables?
It's not 6 o'clock, it's whatever it is.
6 o'clock. You have a conversation. There's a frog in my face. Dum-dum.
Bo, look out!
Dum-dum.
Go!
I love it. You're like, where's it at? You just look like dum-dum. I'm not gonna touch him with it. Put it next to him.
No way. Quit recording.
No.
But you guys have the sparkles on it.
Quit recording us.
I'm not recording you, obviously.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
See it, you idiot.
I'm recording tracks, so mainly.
We'll hang out with James. Oh, James!
Hey!
Hey, your brother's out here, though. Yeah, he's just as bad. Where's that?
Right there.
He's the first person to say this is nasty. Got glitter on it.
That made it nice, right?
Yeah. Did you really just say that?
You wanna play with it, James? It's just a puppet, man. It's all good though. Whatever, James. You waiting on your teacher? Okay. He's gonna yell at us, so we better get away from there. James was waiting on his teacher. I was yelling. I was like, yeah, we're gonna get away from here. He's gonna yell at us.
That thing is just gross.
It looks a little cuter with sparkles.
It looks cute.
Well, it looks better with sparkles.
We're gonna spread them out.
So sparkles makes you better.
Dude, the skin's drying out now.
That's the best part.
I know.
That girl.
You should make a good story.
Miss Ridge, do you have a sink stopper?
A sink.
No, the frog is. No!
Who would throw this thing away?
If she would let me take this thing out of the room, I would. Stop that sink, Cody.
Fill it up.
Let's hope this sucker stops it up.
It should. If
Wait,
not,
maybe there's a sink stopper down here. Let's go check.
They'll stop it up.
Oh, yeah, sink stopper.
oh, too late. What? No, man.
Okay, sink stopper. It's got to clean off all the glitter. Alright, there's enough water. It's not taking a 14-gallon bath.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Dude, look at all the glitter in there.
Get some soap. Give me some Ajax, man.
Jonathan Haynes, Alex Hurst, Troy Howe,
Got some right here
Bobby
too.
Dalton, Harry Hurst,
Yeah.
Kristen King, Richard Strong,
Oh yeah, that's a girl frog, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a female. This one's got more Ajax in it.
Jay Noble, Austin Reed, TJ
Hey man, you want to pop that up for me?
Thompson, and Ryan Watson.
I didn't hear my name called.
33 double zeros in the place of
Dude.
Are you washing?
Yes.
No. Yes.
You're putting her in the trash, right?
Yeah, it's gonna go in the trash.
Do you want to clean her up everything your way?
Yeah. She's got to be dignified.
Die in peace.
Okay. She had eggs.
She had eggs.
Why are you molesting? You got your fist up her back.
All right. Stop the video. She's done.
All right.